Hi there, I'm going to show you how to make an extra solution. So the first thing you know is that we've got volumetric flasks. This is a 250 volumetric flask, a 500 volumetric flask, and a 1000 volumetric flask. These are the most precise pieces of glassware that we have in order to measure the volume of a very large liquid. We only have one line on them. That line was made to just do 250 mils, and 500 and 1000. So really they have only one purpose. But they're much more precise, like this is plus or minus 0.3 milliliters that way. So very precise piece of glassware. They do have different caps. This kind of cap goes with the frosted. I'll show you how to use those. And this kind of cap goes with the not frosted. When you put on this kind of cap, it kind of feels hard to put it on. It feels like you're going to break things, but you really won't. It's a tight seal so no solution gets out. So what we're going to do today is, we've got this math problem that we did in class, so I want to be able to find the volume of 500 mils. So 500 mils is my total volume. So I need to find a volumetric flask for 500 mils. As you can see in the math problem, I need to have a mass in grams of calcium nitrate of 128 grams. So I've got my weight out here. I'm going to zero it. You're going to add 128 grams. So to save yourself some time, that looks exactly like 128 grams if you ask me. Now for this, we're going to have to add a little bit of water first. Your volumetric flask. Add my salt. You can see that it's stuck to the side, so I can make things a little bit easier here. I can pour it to the side. And then I need the entire part to dissolve. So this cap's really handy. You don't want to shake them like a maraca. That's just going to break the neck. You don't want to shake it back and forth until it's fully dissolved. Once you've got that, I know it's not fully dissolved, but it's pretty close. You're going to want to add water until it gets all the way to the line. As it gets to the end, you probably want to be more precise, or close and careful. Wow, it looks exact. Really not, you'll be more careful. Give a little up, down. It might be more dense at the bottom. And there, you finally made your perfect solution. That is 500 milliliters of calcium nitrate that has a concentration of 1.52 molar. Good luck.